Hey guys, so I have 40 weeks today. The reason I'm not in my office and the reason that I'm here is because my mom came in town, and obviously for the birth of my baby, to help me. And so she's staying in the guest room, which is also my office. And so I put all my lights, my cameras away. So I'm actually filming all this on my vlog camera. And so hopefully it doesn't go in and out, but that's kind of why I'm in my room just like chilling, and we're gonna do our update because I actually made it to 40 weeks. I didn't think I was gonna make it to 40 weeks, but I did. So today I'm 40 weeks. Before we get started, check out this awesome shirt. God. I'm gonna show you it with the belly bump, but I got it from Costco and I'm so loving it. Anyways, I'm 40 weeks, and today I've had a couple people ask me, so how are you feeling? It's your due date. I feel great. I feel amazing. Like I was a little bit sore yesterday. So yesterday, hopefully my husband will join me and tell us a little bit about what he thinks. But yesterday we had my doctor's appointment, and so he said I was 1.5 dilated. And he said he could totally sweep my membranes, like, you know, like sweep around and see if that will start me. And I've had that done before with every single baby, like a week prior or like something like that. But I never knew that my doctor was doing it until I would ask him. He said, oh, I did that, because I would never really feel it. He was a really nice doctor, sweet and really gentle. And this doctor is a beast. And I'm gonna tell you, I was in so much pain yesterday. Like, my whole area is just like my hips and everything, like it made everything hurt and sore. And then yesterday I literally took like 5 walks, and I'm not talking about like a couple minutes, I'm talking about like long walks. And so like my body was so sore yesterday as I was trying to help jumpstart my labor. And so yeah, so I've had Braxton Hicks for the past 2 nights, and I have them for like several hours, and no matter which way I turn, they would still be there. So I thought, okay, this could be labor, this could not be, but they would go away in the morning. So at night I would have them and go away in the morning. And so so I haven't gone into labor, but I was so sore last night. Like I can't even tell you how sore my body was. And this morning I feel a lot better. And but I definitely feel like he's dropped. There's a lot of pressure down there. Also this morning, TMI, but a couple hours ago, I went to the restroom, and you know, when you get further along in pregnancy, if you don't know this, I'm telling you now, you get a lot more discharge. And so I was just wiping, and I was like, oh, it's a lot of discharge this time, but I didn't think to look. I don't know if this is gross, but it's true pregnancy stuff. So if you're a pregnant woman, this is gonna be, you're gonna want to know this stuff. So I didn't think to look and see, well, why is there more discharge, or check or anything. So I threw that toilet paper away. Then I had to wipe like 3 times. So finally I like looked, and the discharge was like kind of brownish, bloody-ish. So I think I was losing my mucus plug is what was happening. I think I'm losing it because it was definitely more brown colored. And so and that's great news. It means that I could possibly be going into labor soon. So, or it could mean nothing. I don't know, but it is my due date. So I'm hoping that it means that things are happening. And plus I have like just a weird feeling in my body. Like I am having Braxton Hicks today, but they're not consistent. So we are gonna be walking. But also today is my oldest son's birthday. He turned 5 today. And so it's kind of exciting that I made it to his birthday. And so we're kind of celebrating tonight. And so earlier today, it has nothing to do with pregnancy, but we took the dogs to get groomed today so they can be shaven and like for when baby comes. And just me walking around, like I feel good, but yet I feel like there's a lot of pressure. I feel Braxton Hicks. I'm still sore from yesterday. So it's kind of what's been happening. I mean, those are the only new updates. I still continue, I don't know if I told you guys before, but I'm like nauseous every single day. And so I'm guzzling water like nobody's business, but I don't know, I've read so many different things and I've never had any of the normal symptoms that other people have had, or like just the regular things that you see on pregnancy websites. But I guess being nauseous during like in the last trimester when it's getting close to labor could be a labor sign. I've never had that as a labor sign. So I've been nauseous this whole week, and it's just new. There's so many new things this pregnancy. I feel like this pregnancy is so different. I've never lost my mucus plug in any of my other babies. I've never been nauseous at the last trimester or right before labor. I've never had this kind of pressure down there right before. I've never felt so good, and I've never been felt this healthy, or felt like, I don't feel like it's my due date today. Like, I feel amazing. I feel great. Like, I don't feel like it's my due date, and that's so strange. And I'm also not swollen. Like, every single time you can tell that it must be her due date, because my face is like swollen, my ankles, my legs, like my legs are so skinny right now, my ankles feel good, and my face isn't swollen, which is completely different. This baby's completely different than all the other pregnancies and all the other babies. And also he's actually, they predict that he's gonna be bigger. So he, you guys know, if you watch my other pregnancy vlogs, that like 2 or 3 weeks ago, they said he was 7 pounds. So it's like, he's just a bigger baby. But also, all my other pregnancies, my lower back has hurt, and I have like this like patch where it would get swollen and it would hurt. I haven't had that this pregnancy. So it's totally different. I had more body aches the first and second trimester than the third trimester. I just started to feel good all of a sudden. So it's just so crazy how different that this one is. Last couple nights, literally peeing and pooping at night like crazy. Like, my body is like starting to evacuate everything. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's gross or not, but you guys want to know, right? That's why you look at these pregnancy vlogs. You want to know what's actually happening, what's other people go through. And so that's kind of what's been happening. So I'm telling my husband that he needs to come in here for this last vlog and kind of have his little input of what he thinks been going on. So I don't know if you guys like that or not, but I thought it's nice to see their perspective. So I'm gonna get him. Okay, so I wanted to have him in here so you could tell us about what you think has changed this last week, or like kind of like your experience of it being like 40 weeks today, and this pregnancy compared to the other pregnancies.
Is this an interview for me again?
No. No, but just what do you think? What do you think has changed this last week? What have you noticed? Have you noticed a difference? Stop. Will you tell him?
Tell him what?
Oh my gosh, sit up.
I think mainly she cleans everything every day. Our house is finally clean, so we must be getting close.
Our house has been clean for a while. I'm about to clean the upstairs.
The last 3 days definitely between clean. So that's how you kind of know that we're getting close to the baby coming. The house starts to look nice. It smells good inside. Kitchen's clean. Dishes are done. All
the time. There's never a single dirty dish.
Pretty much all the laundry is folded and taken care of.
Mm-hmm.
I get kisses and told to be safe.
Yeah, what if you die right before I have the baby?
That she misses me.
Do I?
Well, she says it, so like I said, we're probably getting close to the baby coming. Those are the main symptoms.
So I'm being sweeter, is that what you're saying? No, the baby's coming, I'm turning sweet.
I can't say that phrase exactly, but I'm not gonna say that phrase isn't correct.
What else? Am I walking different? Like more hurt?
I think she waddles more.
More? Do you think my belly looks bigger? I think it looks the same.
Yeah, I think it looks the same too.
Do you think we could have baby today?
It's possible. I'd be surprised.
Why?
Maybe tomorrow.
Why tomorrow? Because you wishing that.
Because normally you like have like labor pains and stuff for a while, and you tell me about it like a few hours before. I feel like you walk, or you're able to walk better right now than other pregnancies. You're not swollen.
Yeah, that's a big thing. I was telling them that I'm not swollen at all. Like, I feel good. I feel like I'm 28 weeks pregnant.
It's true.
I'm like running around. I tried to run yesterday and I almost hurt myself because I was so sore.
It was like a total of a second, maybe half a second. She like raised her foot and then she stopped.
No, I didn't.
I ran today.
Oh my gosh, no. We walked so much yesterday.
Yeah, we did.
I made myself so sore.
Mm-hmm.
Was that it? That's all you're going to say
That
about our 40-week update? That's all you're going to update us?
Well, the baby's coming. Or we'll let you know when there's more updates.
This is why the baby's not coming, because every time I ask him if he's going to come today, he wishes that it comes another day. He says, no, tomorrow. No, tomorrow. No, tomorrow. I have to do a lot of stuff tomorrow, so the next day.
It's not wishing. You asked me.
You're wishing ill.
No, you asked me, I think if it's coming? And I said, I think probably tomorrow.
You know what's changed this week is that my husband has barely rubbed my back this week. It's true. He's rubbed my back all pregnancy long, but the week or the 2 weeks that I really need it so that I can relax, nada.
Well, look at my hand now.
He does pretend like his hand gets broken when he rubs it for 2 seconds. Yes, you do.
What is that?
That's a bird. Why is it chirping right outside our window?
Cool. Well.
Okay, so
get you updated.
We're gonna show you the belly bump.
We'll let you know whenever we have a baby.
Yeah, we're gonna vlog it. We're gonna show you the we're gonna show you the belly bump. So can you help me show the belly bump? Stop! Just doing it. Okay, so this is 40 weeks. This is what it looks like. In case you're wondering what my back looks like. And I can run still. See? I can barely lift my legs.
That's her bat. It's half butt, half back. It's bat.
Don't say that. So I'm running and no labor, see? Nothing's happening. Okay, that's it, I guess.